You may or may not believe me, but I expect that. I am not mad, but I must relieve a burden before I die tomorrow. As a child, I was passive and humane. I was so tender that people made fun of me for being that way. I spent majority of my time playing with animals and I enjoyed feeding and holding them. As I grew older, I got weirder, which I figured out was because of my love of animals. If you ever had a dog, you know the intensity of the affection you two share. The bond is so strong as it is indescribable. I married young to a girl who also likes animals. We got a lot of pets. We had birds, a goldfish, a dog, rabbits, a small monkey, and a cat. The cat was super black, and my wife thought that it was a witch in disguise. The cat, Pluto, was my favorite. When I started drinking, I was only violent with the other animals and used bad words with my wife. Later, I would hit her. One night, I came home drunk, and I thought Pluto was avoiding me. So I showed him. I cut his eye out because he gave me attitude. As his eye began to heal, I began to realize a quality of human nature, perverseness. Humans will just do bad things for the sake of doing bad things. So one morning I got some rope, made a noose, and hanged the cat. The same night I hanged Pluto, my house caught on fire.
Can you see the cat?
Very peculiar.
How strange.
When I came back to the ruins, there was only one wall left standing, which had an impression of a large cat hanging from a noose. I figured the impression must have gotten there by someone throwing the cat through an open window. I was out drinking one night at a bar. I saw a cat that looked just like Pluto, except it had a white spot on its chest. It followed me home that night. Although my wife really liked the cat, I soon began to dislike it more and more each day. It reminded me of Pluto. It even had a missing eye. I really hated the spot because it reminded me of the gallows I hanged Pluto from. He was always at my side and it annoyed me so much. One day my wife and I were walking down the steps to the cellar.
Stop!
For 4 days I slept great because the cat had disappeared. He was the reason my wife was dead and now he's gone.
Come with us while we look around. We will search for premise for your wife since she's been missing for 4 days.
Well, we searched everywhere. She's not here.
Well, this wall was made with the finest materials and with excellent craftsmanship. This house is very sturdy, as you can tell.
Oh, snap! Ah! Listen to me. Why are you writing music?
Brayden, get in here!